Hello everyone, I'm Kushi Jolly, an undergrad student at Delhi University, currently pursuing French honors from the Department of Germanic and Romance Studies. First of all, I would like to thank Modlingua and Dr. Ravi Kumar, the founder of Modlingua, for giving us interns this wonderful opportunity to present ourselves on this digital platform. Being born and brought up in Meerut, I decided to move to Delhi to pursue my higher education. And having studied French in school for 3 years, I decided to continue my journey with this beautiful language and thus decided to go for bachelor's in French. So, on and off, I've been in contact with the language for the past 6 years. First in school, then I decided to join Alliance Francaise, which is a French embassy based institution in Delhi. And then, right now, I am in Delhi University pursuing my bachelor's in French literature. So, talking about the learning process, I believe that when you learn a language, especially a language that is so different from yours, the learning process never stops because every day you learn something new. Talking about the ups and downs, yes, like in any other field, language learning also has a lot of ups and downs. For example, you have your good days when you easily comprehend what's been said and explained in your class, or for example, what's been explained in a YouTube video. Or, for example, when you score good in a test, that's kind of a good day for you. But there are some bad days too. For example, then you have zero motivation left to pursue your learning. But I believe one should not give up and one should keep moving on and keep reminding oneself that the reason why you started learning a language. Learning a foreign language, in my case, which is French, has surely opened doors to a lot of opportunities for me. For example, right now I am currently interning at Modlingua, a certified translation company based in Delhi, and it has been a very enriching experience for me, professionally as well as personally. And you see, learning a new language never hurts anybody. It just adds on to your CV. Whether you're from a commerce background, whether you're from an accounting background, or you're from a science background, learning a language always adds up to your career. Talking about my future plans, I would like to finish this internship at Montlingua, which has been a very prestigious opportunity for me and a very enriching experience. Then, of course, I would like to finish my degree at Delhi University, which is the French bachelor's degree. Moreover, going for Assistana, which is a Anglo-French teaching program, has always been one of my biggest dreams ever since I started learning French. So I plan to apply for the program after I get over with my degree at Delhi University. Talking about my long term goals, I would like to pursue a master's degree in the Floor Professor domain, which is basically Français langue étrangère, which means that you get certified for teaching French in countries where it's not officially spoken. Last but not the least, I would like to thank Mr. Ravi Kumar for giving me this wonderful opportunity of interning with Modlingua and gaining a lot of experience through webinars and presentations.